Assalamualaikum. My name is Zara and Sari. So, I'm gonna be painting this rock bird, and yeah. Okay. So, I hope that the set comes with paintbrushes. So, but if it does not, I got my own paintbrushes over here that you saw in one of my videos if it's posted. I got things to hold the bird. If the bird will even come in these, it's huge. Like this big. Look at that. Just look. It's huge. I got scissors to open it. I cannot hand peel this tape. Okay, so I got scented glue stick. Yummy. Rabies. Okay, so let's just get right to it. And some water, okay. So, let's try as hard. Is that scissors even doing anything? Kind of. Okay. Yeah, it's always a struggle for me to unbox things. I just thought it would be fun. Okay, go in. Oh my god. I don't want to rip the packaging for some weird reason. Suspicious reason. Line it up and cut. Oh my god, this is kind of tricky opening the packaging. Yeah, it's better to just peel the tape and peel. Or maybe the bottom. Yeah, the bottom does not have tape. Open it. Open. No! I spoke too soon. At least it'll be kind of easier. Yeah. Much easier. So I'm just opening it from the bottom. Let's pull it out. So the most thing I was excited for, interested actually, was for is this solid or is it hollow? Goodbye. You're not coming in the video today. Yeah. Okay. Here's the bird. It's actually, I'm not sure actually. Feels kind of heavy, kind of like rock, kind of like ceramic. Feels weird. Textury. It's huge. Let's see. Is it heavy? It'll break if I do that. So yeah. Came with paints. A paintbrush. That's good. Ooh, the bristles need flicking. It's hard. Okay, maybe put in some water. Yes, now the glue is gone from it. And I'm thinking it's glue. Hope it's not. Okay, do that. This is not coming in the video today. So now I got this. Okay, so as you can see, this bird is ginormous. No, I got an itch. What I mean by itch, it means it has a scratch. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it. Oh no, it is. Right here. The pencil light is reflecting on my face. Now, see that scratch? Right over here. Oh my god. Okay, well, let's start painting. I hope my hands do not get dirty, and let's hope that I can open this. I'm not good at opening these type of canister paints. Oh my god, this is gonna break my fingers. Wait, am I gonna use the black? Or am I gonna use, what color am I gonna use? I mean, there's also a picture, but I think the picture's eye looks very weird. See? Has green, white, then black. Weird. I'll only combine black and white only. And the cute eye. But so let's start with the eye. So that means I do need to open the black. Oh no. This is gonna be hard. For some reason I cannot get this open. Is it this part I have to open and not this one? Able this one? Oh, that's definitely not it. How do I open this? I opened it. I opened it. Ugh, is this paint so good? Ugh, it looks weird. The bird move. Move to the light here. Okay. Let's... Ew, it's so gross. Look at the paint. Looks weird. Let's see. Come bird. Come me birdie. Kind of got like an outer layer covering. It does not feel good. Yeah, definitely needs to be diluted. This is not right. So let me add some water to it maybe. That will help. It feels like food. This is so chunky. This paint is not normal. I have my own black, so I might use that. Besides this, oh, look at in the water. Like, I know the water is not showing, but let me show an example. Let me grab one of these pieces at the bottom. There's very big, chunky type of pieces at the bottom. You need a whole bunch of water. And I'm just diluting the black. Needs to be normal paint. This is not normal paint. Ugh, look at that. Oh, it's so weird. No way I'm ever gonna use this. Oreo's coming. Oreo, say hi to the video. Say hi! Oreo, 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 go. Oh my god, my cat. Oreo, come. Come, Oreo. Come on. Yeah, Oreo. You're creepy. Oreo, you're so creepy. There he is, his tail. He's looking up at me right now. Yeah, there he is. He's over here. There he is, Oreo. Ah! Okay, Oreo, come down. Okay. So you just saw Oreo. That was him. I'm not sure if I could use this paint. There is a whole... Oh my god. Oreo. Oh. I got it for me. My cat was after me for a second. Second. I did not know. It's paint. Let's just keep adding water. Should have brought like a total scoop. Yeah, my hands. Now I have hands for a second. Ooh, the water is gonna drip. Looks kind of better. See, look at it. It's not sticking out my paintbrush so much anymore. Yeah, that just needed a nice stir with water. Still very chunky, it looks like. But at least it's not as, like, chunky. Maybe this is usable. I don't know still. Maybe still some more scoops. Scoopy, scoopy, scoopy. Pour a little bit out so it does not spill. It's okay if it does though. That's spilling. But just the paint. The chunky paint is not one. I don't want the chunky. I don't want the chunky paint to spill. Okay, now keep on mixing. Oh my god, it's so chunky! But, it's actually getting pretty good now. Yeah, this just needs a whole bunch of water and a whole bunch of stirring. Okay, this looks manageable. Just wash this paintbrush. It's already dirty. Okay, now let's start painting officially after that. Kind of chunky, but it's going on pretty smooth now. Just coloring the eye. Here. Okay. Paint. Yeah, this is going pretty smooth. Let's dilute a little more. Okay, oh, it's already diluted. Bleep, bleep. It's so shiny, I can see my reflection. I'm not the best painter, but I think that's pretty good. If I'm not the best painter, but for real painters and artists, that will be terrible for them. Get some paint. Paint, 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 paint. Ooh, it's very diluted. I diluted it too much. Better than being too chunky than too diluted is better than being too chunky. Because okay, that was not sticking properly. Come on, chunks, come on the top so it can float around. This is very not chunky, watery now. Oh my. There's a lot of paint in this, I could tell. Oh no, I just added more drop. Another drop of water. Oh, that's good, right? Here's the other one. If you didn't get to get a real good look at it, this is the perfect time to get a real good look at it. Where's the beak? Oh, it's over here. It looks like a parrot. I'll paint this as a parrot. Yes! With the red. Yes! I'm excited! I've been wanting to do this video for so long. Since I've got it, because this is very old. Okay, just more paint. It's now starting to get... Wow. I'll go there. Oh, pretty good. Pretty similar. If this is good. Okay, just pop some of these bubbles that formed. Okay. Oh my god, the cap is dirty. Okay. I think the black is pretty much done.